In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IKEA Project Credit Card for big purchases. If you're planning to buy larger items from IKEA, like furniture, appliances, home accessories, or even materials for a bigger home project, using your IKEA Project Credit Card can help make the purchase more manageable. Before you shop, the first thing to do is make sure your account is active and ready to use. It's also important to check your available credit limit so you know how much you can spend. While you're reviewing your account, take a moment to look at any current financing offers and terms. This helps you understand what options may be available before you commit to the purchase. Once that's done, plan your IKEA purchase carefully, choose the items you want to buy, and review the total amount of your order. This is especially helpful for large purchases because it allows you to confirm that your available credit is enough to cover everything. Taking a few minutes to check this in advance can help you avoid delays at checkout. If promotional financing is available, check whether your purchase qualifies. During checkout, select the financing option that applies to your order. Before you continue, review the promotional period, the monthly payment requirements, and the interest terms that may apply if the balance is not paid on time. This is one of the most important parts of using the card wisely because the details of the offer will affect how much you ultimately pay. If you're shopping in store, visit an IKEA location, select your items, and head to checkout. Let the cashier know that you want to use your IKEA Project Credit Card, then provide your card details and complete the payment. If you're shopping online, go to the IKEA website, add your items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. If the IKEA Project Credit Card payment option is available, select it, enter your card information, and confirm your purchase. After the purchase, stay on top of your account. Log into your credit card account regularly to check your balance and payment schedule. Make your monthly payments on time, and if you used a promotional financing offer, pay off that promotional balance before the deadline to help avoid possible interest charges. Finally, keep good records of your purchase. Save your receipt, your financing agreement, payment confirmations, and any promotional financing details. Having these documents organized makes it much easier to track your purchase and manage your payments clearly. And that's how to use the IKEA Project Credit Card for big purchases in a smart and organized way.